Hi, today we have an interesting success story of Vinay who got placed as a graphic designer. Now let us see his success story. So, hi Vinay, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So, can you please introduce yourself for the students?
Yeah, my name is Vinay Mudedla. I completed my B.Tech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Aditya College of Engineering and Technology. I passed out in the last year. After completion of my B.Tech, I was a bit confused to move to the software side, but I didn't know any coding kind of thing. So I searched a bit in the internet and some of the YouTube. The designing is the best career to start. So when I think about designing, I first thought it was PurpleLane because when I was in third year, PurpleLane reached out to a college, so I messaged to PurpleLane regarding the designing courses. They explained me about all the courses, so I decided to join then learn. First of all, to see what is there, what is designing to understand.
So, first of all, congratulations Vinay. We are
Yeah,
really happy that you got placed. Mekel అనిపిస్తుంది.
yeah. First of all, నేను చాలా హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అయ్యాను సార్. లైక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అటెండ్ అయ్యాక లైక్ there was no update for a week. I got tense. ఏమి వస్తుందా రాదా అని.
Okay,
After a week, suddenly I got receive a mail that you cracked the job. At that time చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాను.
okay.
థ్యాంక్ఫుల్లీ పర్పుల్ లైన్ కి చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలి సార్.
Yeah.
మొత్తం మంచిగా నేర్పించారు అండి డిజైనింగ్ బేసిక్స్ నుంచి.
Yeah, thank you so much for the words. And then you
Yes.
choose Purple Lane as the career path. And then after Purple Lane, how you feeling about the situation?
Yeah, it's very better, sir. I can totally in the IT field with better with no coding and fully designing. It's a purple only, sir, that taught me that designing in IT sector also designing could be a good option.
Yes,
So I totally believe that it's a better.
that's really good to know. So how is the
Yes, sir.
mentor's experience like while interacting with you or like explaining the things with you? How's the mentors performing for you?
Yeah, it's totally good, sir. Mentors are totally helpful. They explain each and everything 2 to 3 times. They repeat. They don't get frustrated
Okay,
when we ask the same question 2 to 3 times. They're totally helpful and quite better,
that's that. Okay. So
sir.
like till now, how many interviews have you attended for that?
Yeah, I attended around 3 interviews, sir.
Okay. So I hope this is the second or third, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So when comes to this, a normal coding interviews, like you have attended, maybe like you have attended for other
Yeah,
interviews
yes,
also,
I
right?
attended this, sir.
So what's the difference you have seen for the different interviews and this one?
If we go in like coding kind of jobs, there are too many rounds, too many people. A bit confusing. Like we attended the first round, they didn't give any update. After a few days, they give update like another round. It's a quite laggy kind of thing. If you are selected, then also we didn't get any update. It's been a year, 2 years, 3 years. But if we compare to the designing field, sir, when we attend, they only give first option is only they give a task. If the task is done, then HR interview. Some of the companies also skip the HR round also.
Yes,
If the
yes,
task is done, then we get the job. It's quite simple process.
yes. And
Yeah,
how's the interview process is?
yeah. First of all, when I attended the interview, they asked me to show me my portfolio. I only maintained one portfolio and I was learning in PurpleLane. I show all
Okay.
my designs in used in Photoshop. I designed in Photoshop. They said it's quite impressive. They asked about where did you learn? I mentioned that I learned in PurpleLane kind of.
So anything you want to discuss about you, like how you are studying and how the things are going on with all. So anything you want to discuss about that or anything, yeah, you want to tell, please tell me. Yeah.
Yeah, so when I was learning at the beginning when I joined the course, I it's a doubt kind of I might choose the right path. Is it worthwhile kind of thing? I've been facing like 2 to 3 weeks. I was same thinking, sir.
Okay.
Before joining, also I was thinking like, is it the right option? After joining in Purple Line, sir, I totally changed. The way of teaching, the way of explaining, it's better, sir. Super.
Yeah, thank you for your kind words. Yeah, success takes some time, but obviously our students will get success. That's what my agenda is. Yeah,
Yes,
really, thank you so much for your words, and we really hope that you will success in your life as well in all the ways. And this particular Purple Line course actually will help you in future as well to grow yourself. Yeah, that's
yes,
what
sir.
I
Yes.
can tell. Yeah, thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Vinay. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.